Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. The minute that I landed here in Barcelona, there was only one place that I had to come, Ssstufff. So I asked the guys to put a few pieces together and do me a 10-piece mystery box. So without further ado, let's check it out and see what's inside. First out of the box we have the Pearl Iced Out Lanyard. So this is going on straight off. Next, we have two of the UV caps, the pink with the OG Ssstufff logo and the black with that new school logo. We also have the Ssstufff Goyard wallet. Ooh-wee. Here, of course, the Ssstufff beach towel. Next, we have the fruit tea. Scratch and sniff reactive like this is amazing. If you don't know about this one, you need to know. This is the UV and heat reactive tiger tea. So you have the big hit on the back, the chest hit on the front. This is so beautiful. One for the ladies and the guys. I love this with the gold hits, the silicone, the nail salon t-shirt. With the back print also. Here we have the Lost Dog hood. Shout out to Susie there on the front with another patch here on the hood. This is just the go-to black hoodie. If there ever was one that you needed, this is it. These are incredible. These are the Ssstufff anniversary shorts with all the patches, the UV reactive thread. Like, check these out, come on. And the last item in the box, I'm going to have to put this straight on so we can check this out. It is, of course, the Cut My Hair neck. With the face on the front, with the cuttable hair or stylable, and you can wear this inside out. And my favourite part of this, of course, has to be the Cut My Hair Please on the back. Because of course, being follically challenged, it had to be done. So this has been the Ssstufff Mystery Unboxing. Thank you for watching another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. A big shout out to all of my Ssstufff family. You are the absolute greatest. And make sure to come visit the store and check everything out at Ssstufff. Peace!
Hey guys, I'm Alberto from Ssstufff. Come visit me.